Assalamu alaikum. This is Nation series Math for Prep KG, suitable for 5 to 6 years old children. Today we are going to learn from page number 23. On this page, children, you are going to count numbers, match with the word numbers, and then match with the dots. Look at this, children. This is 7 in number. This is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Say again, children. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Children, this is number 7 is matched with the word 7, and word 7 is matched with the 7 dots. Likewise, children, now you have to match the numbers with the words and words with the dots. This is 8 in number, children, and this is 8 in word. Children, now you have to match this 8 in number with 8 in word. Children, this is 8 in word, and these are 8 dots. Children, now you have to match this 8 in word with these 8 dots. Children, this is 9 in number, and this is 9 in word. Children, you have to match this 9 in number with this 9 in word. Children, this is 9 in word, and these are 9 dots. Children, you have to match this 9 in word with these 9 dots. This is 10 in number, and this is 10 in word. Children, you have to match this 10 in number with this 10 in word. Children, this is 10 in word, and these are 10 dots. Children, you have to match this 10 in word with these 10 dots with a straight line. Children, this is 11 in number, and this is 11 in word. Children, you have to match this 11 in number with this 11 in word with a straight line. Children, this is 11 in word, and these are 11 dots. Children, you have to match this 11 in word with these 11 dots with a straight line. This is 12 in number, and this is 12 in word. Children, you have to match this 12 in number with this 12 in word with a straight line. This is 12 in word, and these are 12 dots. Children, you have to match this 12 in word with these 12 dots with a straight line. This was our page number 23, children, and this is page number 24. Look at this, children. This is 7 in word, and this is 7 in number. This is 8 in word. Children, you have to write 8 in number in this box. This is 9 in word. Children, you have to write 9 in number in this box. This is 10 in word. Children, you have to write 10 in number in this box. This is 11 in word. Children, you have to write 11 in number in this box. This is 12 in number in word. Children, you have to write number 12 in number in this box. Look at this, children. This is 7 in number. This is 8 in number. This is 9 in number. This is 10. This is 11. This is 12. Children, this is 8 in number. You have to write 8 in this box by word. This is 9 in number. Children, you have to write 9 in word in this box by yourself. This is 10 in number. Children, you have to write 10 in word in this box by yourself. This is 11 in number. Children, you have to write 11 in word in this box by yourself. This is 12 in number. Children, you have to write 12 in word in this box by yourself. Look at this, children. This is 7 in word, and this is 7 in number. 7 in word is matched with 7 in number with a straight line. This is 8 in word, and this is 8 in number. Children, you have to match this 8 in word with this 8 in number with a straight line. This is 9 in number, and this is 9 in word. Children, you have to match this 9 in number with this 9 in word. This is 10 in number, and this is 10 in word. Children, you have to match this 10 in number with this 10 in word. This is 11 in word, and this is 11 in number. Children, you have to match this 11 in word with this 11 in number. This is 12 in number, and this is 12 in word. Children, you have to match this 12 in number with this 12 in word. This was our page number 24.